Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here, T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up. And as we get into the holidays, we get the SPY doing nothing. So a lot of this just back and forth doing nothing. You look at this daily and S&P doing nothing, QQQ doing nothing. And so, it's we get used to certain things moving around. Obviously, it's been a year with no volatility. But then you get the full shenanigans with the blockchains, the LTEA, and your riots and all that kind of stuff. But another thing that happened this week is we saw that like some of the big tech giants just fall asleep and do nothing as well. You saw Netflix going inside week doing nothing. You've got your Tesla inside week doing nothing. Facebook 2 week inside pattern of this stuff doing nothing. Amazon, Google, all these the usual suspects not doing anything. But so we want to see if we get the precursor to the new year, and we got the commods. Here they come. XME picking up some steam here. So XME, I can shrink this down a little bit more. XME, you get the FCX, just took off out of this inside week down in here and just never looked back. And to a lesser extent, you get a little bit of X coming up and some copper and Alcoa. So we want to see if this is the precursor to maybe a little bit more of a commod rally, because then we also went into the oils. Energy picked up some steam. So here's UCO. Crude, just the oil stocks just have not represented this move at all in crude. And so finally we get a little bit of this stuff from the XLE, and you get the OIH going, and we'll see maybe we can get these oils going, because you can see this just would still be coming out of a range. So we had nice moves. Yeah, Helmerich Payne was coming up. We had Chevron here, Concho, Fang, all that kind of stuff. FANG, that was a nice one. Much better than the other Fang this week. And so Oxy, Oxy still coming off of here on the monthly. You can see how this stuff really coming off the lows of the monthly been a lot higher. So certainly want to see if that continues. Now, just another short week, and then we do start off the new year. Another thing we might want to look at is some of these downtrodden sectors. And one of these sectors we're looking at here is potentially, after years of pain and suffering, if this ag sector can ever get anything going here. So you can see like Mosaic here. Whoops. There we go. You see how it used to be here, and just for forever coming down into this stuff. But potash, to a better extent, AGU. But we'll see. Like, this is all speculation. We're just trying to finish off the year. So for the week. Or for the month, I should say, it's the expiration of the expiring week and month and everything of the year. So everything's going to reset, and please join me next weekend. Every quarter, I make a macro video about the macro signals, and that was very, very good from last year. A lot of Tesla and Netflix and stuff like that. And so what I do in that video, it's on my YouTube, Smith in the Black, all one word. And what I do is I give you the definitive levels of all these inside breaks and whatnot on the quarterly and the yearly level, and that's what gives you the multi-year breakouts. And that you can not only use that to swing, but you can also use that as a hit list on what you want to be trading in. All right, well, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a safe and fun weekend to you and yours. And I'm Rob Smith in the Black Quantity VTF here at T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up.